this is Bulletproof Trust. And what Bulletproof Trust is doing is assessing the trustworthiness of all of the open source software that's out there in the world that so many different software developers are using, whether they're in aerospace and defense or automotive or healthcare or whatever.
So from the development end of this, we created a really cool widget system that gives Dark Sky's backend an unlimited option widget like view that they can generate on the fly for each customer. The API tells the front end, what widgets they want to show for a specific customer and what data that specific customer wants. So every customer has a completely personalized dashboard. We have built a settings page that you can completely control, like user access, who can do what on a stream. You can view who's done what on a stream, making all the data, visualized and available to the customer in, again, a simple way. And then the alert model as well was really cool. We built a full code editor inside the app to allow, I think of it as more like a power user to get exactly what they want out of the app. And it has, auto completion, auto validation.
And CodeGeek has done a really great job of filtering down all of the important parts with all of this data so that you can get right to the main point, which is what problems do I have from a security perspective in my applications, and then what can I do about it? This here in particular is a really neat view that shows the contributors themselves so that we can try and identify if there are any risky contributors, people who may be developing vulnerabilities or may be associated with like criminal activities. And so this person here doesn't have any risk associated with them, but we can take a look so you can get a sense for all of the data that we're visualizing here in this really neat system. We're showing who this person is, a timeline of their development activities, other packages that they've contributed to, other files. Here we've identified them as a maintainer, and we even have like location information and also their network of followers and people that they're associated with, so that we have an understanding of kind of who they're in development cahoots with while they create this project. And if I zoom back out to all contributors, you can see this really nice view. It gives you a sense of where the development is taking place in the world. So you can see kind of how many contributions are coming from different countries and where all of the development is happening, which is really nice.